For those of you using Jira Product Discovery, Atlassian had some announcements at Team’25, and today we're going to cover the three major things that Atlassian talked about. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you drop a like in this video, and let's jump into it. So the first one that we want to take a look at is AI-powered idea intake. And what this basically means is that as your team using Jira Service Management or one of the other service management tools that they announced, as those tickets come in, Rovo is able to analyze that feedback from those tickets and essentially propose ideas that your team should be building on to kind of help out with those bottlenecks. So I thought that was a really cool thing. The next thing is clearly connecting opportunities and solutions to goals. This one's interesting to me because the way Atlassian treats ideas in Jira Product Discovery, the way it treats initiatives and epics on Jira, and the way goals plays, there's a conflict. There's like this pyramid of a conflict, and I prefer a solid hierarchy. And Atlassian, I think, has not provided official or proper guidance on how this should work. But I think this muddies the water a little bit more rather than helping because essentially your idea from Jira Product Discovery is going to be able to connect to a goal. And that's telling me that the goal is an overarching goal that then has some sort of a hierarchy. But I need to be able to visualize the whole thing. And so maybe this is through the goals app. I don't know because we don't have this functionality just yet, but it needs to be a hierarchy. And I need to be able to see the goal to the idea to then maybe the initiative, right? And so I think it's got to do something like this, where it goes from the goals app to the Jira Product Discovery idea to then the initiative that's been approved to work on in Jira software. But I don't think that that's how Atlassian is going to do it. I think, and before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. Both the initiatives and the ideas roll up to the goal, and I think there's a conflict. I think we need a different hierarchy. So I'm not too overly excited for this one, but Atlassian is working on this, and it's going to be a capability that's going to come out, and we'll see how it works. Again, I'm not overly excited, but we'll see. And the last item is that roadmaps are finally going to be shareable with whomever you want. And so this is going to be really key because if our roadmaps are inside of Jira Product Discovery, then we want to be able to share that information out to our stakeholders, and our stakeholders don't always have Jira licensing. And so I think this is a pretty critical feature that we're going to be able to share our roadmap. So those are three things that are coming to Jira Product Discovery soon. Let me know in the comment section, which one are you most excited for? I personally see that I'm going to be using the shareable roadmaps a lot, and I'm really looking forward to the Rovo creating the ideas based on support tickets. The problem is that Atlassian announced that Rovo is included in Jira, Confluence, and Jira Service Management, but they didn't say anything about Jira Product Discovery. So I don't know if there's going to be an extra fee or what Atlassian's planning on doing there. Again, it's too early to tell. We're just going to have to wait and see what Atlassian plans to do there. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below.